Good morning students. Welcome to our new class. Myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya Ratangad. We are studying the chapter number 13 plant growth, in which we study about growth factor affecting growth. Among them, one of the factor is phytohormone or plant hormone, in which we divided these hormone into two parts. First, growth promoters and second, growth inhibitors. In growth promoters, we study auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin and ethylene. Among them, two of auxin and gibberellin we study earlier. Today's our topic is cytokinin. First of all, listen. Cytokinin is the plant hormone which is a growth promoter hormone. First of all, G. Haberland look at phloem soluble substances. Phloem soluble substance which increases the rate of cell division, and he give this name a plant hormone, but he hasn't given any name. After that, J. von Overbeek also separated a substances which is soluble in coconut water, and this substance is also helpful in cell division. Then after Skoog and Miller separated from the DNA of yeast one substances which increase the cell division or rate of reaction in cell division and give name kinetin. After them, Latham called this kinetin as cytokinin. So if a 1 mark question is asked by examiner to you that who can discover cytokinin, Latham was the scientist who give the name cytokinin as a kinetin as a cytokinin. After that, Latham and Miller separated substances and give name zeatin from aileron layer of embryo sac of maize. Or we can say from embryo of maize they can separate another substances which can increase the cell division and give them name zeatin. After some of the period, scientists discovered that zeatin and kinetin is a same material which is called cytokinin. So what is cytokinin? Cytokinin is a plant hormone. Cytokinin is a plant hormone which is produced from the decomposition of nucleic acid. Cytokinin is a plant hormone which is produced from the decomposition of nucleic acid. Structurally, these are aminopurine which can increase the cell division, or whenever we talk about its chemical structure, then cytokinin is 6-furfuryl aminopurine. What is the chemical formula or chemical structure of cytokinin? It is 6-furfuryl aminopurine, in which furfuryl ring is found. Therefore, the name of the first identified cytokinin is 6-furfuryl aminopurine. Synthesis of cytokinin in a plant part, that part where cell division occurs, that is stem, shoot or the root shoot. Top part of the root and top part of the shoot. Stem, shoot or root shoot. Developing buds, young fruits. Cytokinin act as the structural composition in cytoplasm of tRNA. Now we can see the composite effect of cytokinin and auxin as follows. The compound effect of cytokinin and auxin on the plants. Whenever we mix both the hormone in different quantities, what is the effect is shown. I write on the board. First, more cytokinin means the amount of cytokinin is more, and less auxin, the amount of auxin is less. Mix up them. What is the effect on plant? development of shoot will occur. Whenever we take more cytokinin and less auxin, then only shoot is formed. Second, less cytokinin means the amount of cytokinin is less and more auxin, the amount of auxin is more. Then what is the effect? Only roots are developed. ये जो चार इफेक्ट मैंने लिखे हैं बोर्ड के ऊपर, इन चारों में से आपको चार प्रश्न बनते हैं, ठीक है। ये पूछा जा सकता है कि मोर साइटोकाइनिन प्लस लेस ऑक्सिन देन शूट इज डेवलप्ड, लेस साइटोकाइनिन एंड मोर ऑक्सिन देन ओनली रूट इज डेवलप्ड, एंड व्हेनेवर वी टेक एवरेज अमाउंट ऑफ साइटोकाइनिन एंड ऑक्सिन, average amount of cytokinin and auxin, then both root and shoots are developed. If we take average amount of cytokinin but less amount of auxin, then the callus is formed. And what is callus? As you know, the cells of undifferentiated are called callus, means that structure can be made anything by providing it a different type of nutrient material. Means callus क्या है? अनडिफरेंशिएटेड सेल्स का ग्रुप है जिससे हम कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट टाइप का न्यूट्रिएंट मटेरियल उसको देके और बना सकते हैं, जिसको अपन कैलस कल्चर भी कहते हैं। नाउ लुक एट द फिजियोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट ऑफ cytokinin. First, cell division. Second, cell elongation. Third, cell differentiation. Fourth, prevention of apical dominance. Fifth, destroying dormancy. And sixth, dealing of sensation. First, cell division. Cytokinin in presence of auxin promotes cell division. Cytokinin in presence of auxin promotes cell division. It promotes the process of formation of meristematic tissue in plant. What? It promotes the process of formation of meristematic tissue in plants. Second, cell elongation. As you know, cytokinin promotes cell elongation. The roots cells of tobacco were found elongated 4 times more than ordinary, being affected by cytokinin. Cytokinin exhibits this effect in the presence of auxin and ethylene. Means एक नॉर्मल जो टोबैको प्लांट है उसमें जितनी सेल की इलोंगेशन होती है रूट्स के अंदर, उससे 4 टाइम्स ज्यादा क्या हो रही है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ साइटोकाइनिन. थर्ड, सेल डिफरेंशिएशन. After formation of cell, it can be elongated, and then after cell come in their original size and shape, or it is effect of cytokinin, or we can say cell differentiation is also affected by this hormone. It control formation of body parts in plants along with auxin. Cytokinin produce various effect in different ratio in presence of auxin, which we study earlier. Means the compound effect of cytokinin and auxin, by them they are differentiated or developed in shoot, root, or in callus, or shoot, root, both. That is the both effect of cytokinin and auxin, or we can say that is cell differentiation. Now fourth, prevention of apical dominance. As we see, physiological effect of auxin. Auxin can promote the apical dominance. Auxin can promote apical dominance, but cytokinin prevent of apical dominance. Apical dominance is stopped by spraying cytokinin, and lateral bud begin to grow. So the apical dominance is prevented. Now destroying dormancy. Dormancy is the stage in which germination is not happen. So with the help of cytokinin, dormancy of seeds and tubers is destroyed by cytokinin and helps them in germination. And last, dealing of sensation. Sensation means the oldest age till death is called sensation. So cytokinin prevents sensation in plants. Generally, decomposition of protein, nucleic acid, etc. starts before sensation in leaves, but due to effect of cytokinin, their decomposition slow down, and hence the effect of sensation delayed. Effect of dealing of sensation. Remember it. It is a 1 mark question and important question. Effect of dealing of sensation by cytokinin is called Richmond-Lang effect. Richmond-Lang effect. What is Richmond-Lang effect? Richmond-Lang effect ये 1 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, अलग से पूछा जा सकता है कि रिचमंड-लैंग इफेक्ट क्या है. तो प्लांट्स में क्या होता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ साइटोकाइनिन डीलिंग ऑफ सेंसेशन इज कॉल्ड रिचमंड-लैंग इफेक्ट. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. आज हमने केवल साइटोकाइनिन पढ़ा, साइटोकाइनिन के कंपाउंड इफेक्ट पढ़े और इसके फिजियोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट पढ़े, इसकी केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ी. कल अपन देखेंगे इथाइलिन और एब्सिसिक एसिड. एब्सिसिक एसिड जो है वो ग्रोथ इनहिबिटर हार्मोन है, जबकि इथाइलिन जो है वो एक ग्रोथ प्रमोटर हार्मोन है. दैट वी विल स्टडी टुमारो. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे.